Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. Today we're looking at the Winkhaus lock boxes. Now when they're dispatched from the manufacturer, the facility is not available for split spindle. Now split spindle means that you've got a spindle from either side of the door, each of which rotates independently. Inside the lock, this section here has been designed to split independently. However, when it's first dispatched, it's latched and locked together. So to unlock that facility to give you split spindle, you need to take either a flat screwdriver, which is the same size as the slot here, or alternatively there is a device available where you can insert it and simply push down to release the facility. If you decide you don't want it and you turn over the lock, you'll discover that the slot is at the same position on the other side, and you simply insert it to relock the facility back into single spindle. I hope that's helpful. And remember, that's the Winkhaus products only.